More than 40% of the jobs and internships being revoked during these times of COVID-19. It is very important for the students and people to take effective measures to regain back their internships and their jobs. So here we are with a new video where we'll be telling you the unique and the best techniques to regain back your internships and your jobs. And these internships could be much more effective than you had before. So to know all this and much more, let's see this. Welcome to this video, and this video is a very interesting video. We have put in a lot of content and efforts into this video. So there's a sincere request for you all to watch it till the end and with full attention. And in the end, there is also a bonus tip for you all with which you can really excel in your careers and which isn't available everywhere. So, in this video, we'll be discussing two parts. The first part will discuss how to gain the exact internship which you want out of your requirements. And in the second part, we'll discuss if you don't get an internship, or rather you don't want an internship, what other options you can explore and still outstand from the crowds. Right across with the first section, which is about finding new opportunities in this era of COVID-19. So the first platforms which we will be talking about are the online job and the internship finding platforms. So here we are with our 8 best platforms which are out there through which you can attain the right internships or the opportunities which you are looking for. The first is Internshala. Yes, this is the most popular amongst the all because more than 10 lakh students are subscribed to it and more than 1 lakh companies and startups are associated with it. So if you are a fresher, you don't have a work experience, this is the right platform to start across with because it gives a multitude of opportunities and scope for you. This platform has also got advanced filters where you put in the filter of which sort of sector you are looking after for, which sort of domain are you looking after for, and what is your preference and for how many months are you looking for. So this is a very advanced and very simple to use platform which you can use to gain an internship. And recently I applied to this platform just to check how easy it is to get through those internships, and I have gained more than 3 internships by applying. So this is my Internshala homepage. As you can see my name over here. So recently in the first week of April, I applied for around 10 internships. So for which I was selected for 3 internships. As you can see the intern status which says that company replied me back, which means they were interested in. So if we can see the conversion rate over here is 20%. Even still the other 4 are in applied phase. So who knows that it gets converted there as well. But as you can see the conversion rate over here is 30%, which is much more than 25%. So even if we apply for 10 companies every day, we can be assured that at least 2 of them could be converted back. To the next part, next platform, it's Let's Intern. Yes, this is also a very good platform because more than 30,000 of the organizations are associated to this. And the companies like Myntra, Big Basket, PVR, Immersion are all associated to this, and it's a good platform to find the internship for you. Now, third and the most popular for the professional network is the LinkedIn. And about LinkedIn, I will also be making a very dedicated video where I'll be telling you how to use LinkedIn to the best of its capabilities without paying a premium for it. But for the time being, I would just recommend you to have a LinkedIn account, or if you have it, optimize it with your CV, optimize it with your achievements, build in new networks and reach that more than 500 connections benchmark. The fourth is the Glassdoor. Yes, Glassdoor is a platform where you can find a lot of companies out there where you can look into the culture, the salaries, and the progression of the work there. And this is also a platform where if you log in and make an account, you'll also get searches and recording your needs which you are looking after for. So I also recommend to make an account here and see what it looks like. Fifth is Hello Intern. So this is a good platform for startups and the NGOs. So if you're looking out for startups or the NGOs, this is a good platform with all global opportunities as well. So you won't be restricted to companies within India, but you will have a global exposure with teams across the world. Then it does also have association with good companies like Titan, Decathlon, Citrus, etc. The sixth platform which is very crucial is 2019. Yes, this platform is very crucial for the students because it has got its dedicated summer internship program. And the opportunity which we have is Parker Deve. So this is a good online platform where we can get a lot of opportunities according to the careers and skills which we have. So the careers which we are looking after for or the needs which we have based on our requirements are all served on this network in a very customized and personalized. And the last and the eighth is Hired.com. So this is a platform where you will find a lot of top companies out there, and its unique feature of advanced search makes it a best amongst the all. So this is a platform where you will find top companies like Tinder, Twitter, BigBasket, Yelp, and Median, which are associated on this platform. Next method which we'll talk about is about leveraging your network. And by leveraging your network, I mean leveraging everything which you have in your basket. So starting right across with your college alums. So there would be certain alumni pages and communities in your college. Reach out to them. And if you're not allowed to reach out to them, ask your alumni community members to make an appeal to that community page or on those social sites that you need an opportunity, you're seeking for a job. Now, I would personally recommend you that don't rely on other communities, rather make your own network or find network through your alums. Reach out to some seniors and ask them who are in certain domains. Then reach out to those people who are in those domains or find contacts from there. And the third and last is make all your acquaintances count. Yes, whomsoever you have met in college or in any other social events, bring all those contacts together. See through your phone's directory, everything, each and every contact you have on your phone. Go through all the Facebook friends which you have and then sort out who are the people amongst them who are in the domains which you are seeking job for. Then reach out to them with a well-planned structure stating who you are, what you are searching for, and in what timeline you want that to be achieved, and what will that person gain if he gives you this opportunity. Because we also need to understand that we need to give value to someone if we are asking something. So you might be thinking, what value can you give to others? Then friends, the best thing we can give to others is a promise. Promise them that when you get this opportunity, or you don't get an opportunity, next time whenever they need your help or they need help, they can always count on. This is the time when the professors are most engaged in their research. This is the time to reach out to them. So even if your college is not of very high order, or you want to be associated with professors of IIMs, IITs, NITs or DU, so just mail out to them. Make a chart that every day you'll reach out to 10 top professors in your domain. And believe me friends, you won't get it in the first day or second day, but in the 1 week or in 2 weeks, you will definitely get an opportunity, and it will be a life changing moment, because this is the time when the professor is most available to you and he can be most dedicated to you. So it's not about just a paid internship, it's also about an internship through which you can make a sense and do something which is valuable out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you disliked it, please dislike it. But take some action, because this helps us to serve you better.